Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Tech It Simple. So today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a header on Yahoo. To get started, let's open a browser. For now, I'm using Microsoft Edge. Tap on it. Now, here in the search bar, search for yahoo.com. It will open your Yahoo web app. Now, tap on the inbox icon. This will navigate you to this interface. For now, let's say you want to mail someone. Then tap on the Compose button that is located on the top left corner. Now, here enter the email address. And here, if you want to send some attachment, then tap on the attachment icon. Now, you get this list. You can select any of it. For now, I choose Attach Files for recent emails. Click on it and now select the attachment. And now, you want to add a header, then click on the subject. Here, simply give the summary of your attached mail. Let me enter module and tap on the send button in order to send your mail. So, this is how you can add a header to your mail on Yahoo. So, that wraps it up for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.